drought in California. Did you know that we are running out of water faster than you thought? Well, according to the website International Business, we approximately have less than 2 years of water reserved in California. As we all know, California has not seen much rain in the past couple of winters. Therefore, we do not have enough water reserved for us. As a resident of California, I would like to find ways and other people to know how to conserve water. Learning about California's drought will help us be aware of how bad the drought is and what we can also do to make our situation better. First, I will talk about background information on the drought in California. Then I will talk about how it has affected us, and finally, we'll talk about what are some ways that we have tried to help with the drought. What is the drought in California? In order to get a better understanding of the drought in California, we must first know what are some reasons that there is a drought. And second, how bad the drought really is. According to CNN's reporter Latif Munjin, in a statement that Governor Jerry Brown stated that this drought has been the worst in the past 100 years. The report also said the same thing as the governor said. As you can see right here in comparison, this was back in 2011, and just in 3 years, there's almost no water left. This chart is also representing the water levels, or reserved water levels throughout the years, and in 2014, it has been at its lowest. Since they started recording this in 1885, this has been the worst due to the fact that like global warming. We've seen polar ice caps now. The weather changes, a lot of heat, especially here in California. Last year, many heat records were broken. Now that I talked about the background of the drought, I will move on to in order to fully understand this drought, we must discuss how it has affected us. First, we will discuss how the drought has affected us, then and affected the state of California economically. This drought has affected the most the farmers. As you can see in this picture, their land is very dry. They don't have much water because of what's been happening lately. Luckily, we live in a large metropolitan area. Most large areas in Southern California and in the Bay Area have been conserving water for a while, so we still have water, more water than other parts of California. In Central and Northern California, they had cutbacks and have had seeked help from the government. As you can see, this is the water consumption from the agriculture section and the urban. Right here, a lot of people waste water outside and inside of their house, mostly while watering their lawns. And these are the things farmers use the water for. Not only has a drought affected people in California, but it has affected people around the world. According to an article written by Public Policy Institute of California, it says that in 2014, farmers lost about 6.6 million acres of surface water, 6.6 million acres of surface water. This has affected them because they lost $2.2 billion in revenues, and the state of California lost 17,000 jobs, seasonal, part-time, and full-time jobs. Now I will move on ways to help with this drought. Even though scientists say we have less than 2 years of water left, there is still hope for us to make our water reservation last longer. There have been ways that the government has tried to help. Governor Jerry Brown last month issued an executive order B 2915 that states the State Water Resource Control Board is to impose certain restrictions on certain sectors of California, especially the urban areas, to achieve a 20% reduction in portable water. Some ways that we can help is taking showers within 5 minutes. I know most of us like taking showers that last 15-20 minutes. Also, you can see in this house, this is a picture taken last year. You can see it's very dry. They use tons of gallons of water just to water the landscaping and for the pools. Some alternatives is to use artificial grass, as you can see in this place. Even though it costs more money to water grass than to get artificial grass. Now to conclude, I had talked about how background of the drought in California and how bad the drought is. First, I just want to let you know that you need to conserve water so we can have more and use water safely. Thank you.